What's going on YouTube? And we're back with another episode of Fountain Fox's Garage. Today's gonna be great. I'm super excited because guess what? That is a 2006 Chevy Silverado HD grill. That is my 2003 1500 HD with that ugliness. And in the back, in the bed of my truck is something crazy. Ooh. So basically what we're gonna be doing is converting the front end of my 03 1500 HD truck to the really good looking 05.5 06. It's really confusing. HD grill and hood. Just picked up the hood today from paint. And then we also have up there, right there. Point in the right direction. There we go. Those are new headlight housings and blinker housings that we're going to be replacing also, because the ones on this truck are pretty bad. They've been around the block a while, and actually this one I think I've resealed about 3 or 4 times. So yeah, it's time to replace them. So yeah, Sylvia's going to be getting a facelift today. So let's get started. So we got the driver's side headlight housing and blinker housing out. Still covered in bug guts from the last Havasu trip. But just want to stop midway and show you guys a little bit of the before and after. I think it's pretty obvious. This is the gunky. These were supposed to be like smoked or something, I'm not sure. I kind of like the OEM look, so I went with the OEM. Got the amber reflectors. I think I'm definitely gonna have to adjust them because this one looks crazy high, but we'll worry about that later. I think I'm gonna test fit the grill now and see how that looks. So moving on. All right, here we are. New headlight housing goodness. Man, it looks brand new. I love it. Super good. I guess now it's time to test fit that grill. Yeah, it does.
You glue these on or sit up?
No, I figured it out. You put them in that way and then they tab on this way. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So hopefully they'll stay. Yeah. Ooh, I am not focused at all. Hello, come on. There we go. Okay, and we're back. Sorry, had to stop and eat dinner for a quick minute. But anyway, so to get the grill on now, I noticed something. So for anyone who wants to do this swap, when you buy the 06 grill compared to the 03 grill, there's going to be a little bit of a difference. So you could either drill a hole. It'll have to go about there, maybe. I don't know. And probably about there for the little safety. Oops, stepped on a zip tie. For the little area alignment dowel pin, maybe? I don't know. Something like that. So I think since it is actually marked up fairly well, I think I'll just go ahead and drill that hole and we'll get the grill installed. Okay, take 2 on the moment of truth here. Oh, that looks amazing. Oh, I can't get over this. That looks truly, truly beautiful. I cannot begin to tell you guys how excited I am for this. And I know I don't sound very excited. I'm a very monotone person, but that's just speechless. It looks so good. Like, you don't even have to say anything about it. Definitely need to do an epic edit to make it look cool though. So cue that. So there it is, the old 2003, 2005 and a half-ish Chevy Silverado hood. And yeah, there's not really words to describe. So just to sum it up before I cut to probably the end of this video and the epic edit of the reveal, changed out the headlight housings, the blinker housings, the hood and the grille, fresh paint, and yeah, so let's check it out. Thanks for watching.